How to hack Gumslinger game.
Girl, you always solve problems, and you just never solve them, 'cause you always in drama. It's alarming, it's alarming. Girl, I just need clarity. Can you just let me breathe? Oh,
Here is the amount of gems and coins that I have.
it's too late now.
Let's hack it to unlimited. Close the game and open MT Manager. Go to Android, Data, then Gumslinger Data folder, then Files. Scroll down to Player Progress Storage file.
It's done too late now.
Open it, then search for coins or gems.
It's like you always wanna hold you with me. Girl, don't be naive.
Replace coins and gems values with a higher value.
Girl, you always solve problems, and you just never solve them, 'cause you always in drama.
Then save the file.
It's alarming, it's alarming.
Now open your game. Now you got an unlimited amount of coins and gems. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.